Hey guys, it's Sabre Sid. Today I'm standing in our 36 FLX, which is our top selling floor plan. I'm going to show you some features that make it so special. So this is our mid-bunk room. We also call it our flex room because it can be used as a bedroom, an office. You have all of the storage here, so this could be a hobby room or somewhere for your pets to sleep. Directly outside the flex room is this beautiful island kitchen. We're going to have the flip-up countertop extension here with your solid surface countertops and a workstation sink. We're also going to have a residential size oven and stovetop here with your 30-inch full-size microwave and solid wood core cabinetry. The kitchen also includes this 12-volt, 16 cubic foot French door refrigerator with 2 freezers for extra storage. Another major feature on this unit is the hidden pantry. You have so much more room for storing all of your goodies. You have broom storage and you also have coat hangers to keep your area less cluttered. On the front side of this hidden pantry, you're going to have your TV and you're also going to have a fireplace with multiple light settings and heat settings. This will heat up to 500 square feet, so you'll be able to stay warm without having to run off your propane. Over here, you're going to have your Trifold Sofa. That's going to come out really easy. You just have to lift and pull, and then once you're done, lift all the way up. It'll catch, and you lock it into place. You have storage above that that's on shocks, so you don't have to hold it up while putting all of your necessities in there. And then you're going to have your 2 recliner Cinemax seats. Another cool feature we did in this is the versatile dining room table. So this can go from a desk position into a normal dining room table. Over here in the mudroom, you're going to have your coat hangers, you're going to have shoe storage, and you're also going to have another cabinet for extra storage above. Moving through the hallway, you're going to have your loft here. This is going to be really spacious, so you can fit a queen mattress or just sleeping bags in here. You're going to have storage in your cubby and then outlets and USB ports as well. In the bathroom, you're going to have this one-piece molded fiberglass shower with a seat and a storage shelf. You're also going to have your LED mirror that is also a medicine cabinet, and you're going to have your pull-out linen storage. Moving into the bedroom, there's a lot of cool new features in here, starting with our projector screen. This is a 70-inch projector screen with a smart projector. Once you're done with that, all you have to do is pull down, and it'll go right up like a blind. Over here, we have a redesigned closet, so it's going to be more spacious, and it's going to give you the opportunity to put a washer and dryer in there and hook it up to our washer and dryer prep. You're also going to have your Camper King mattress. This is 66 inches wide instead of 72, but the slide is fit for a 72-inch mattress. And then over here, you're going to have built-in shelving to the wall. So you can put decorations up there. You can use it for extra storage, but it definitely makes the space look more cozy. At the front of the unit, you're going to have your spare tire, your battery disconnect, your solar controller, and your battery compartments. Moving over here, you're going to have your propane tanks, one on this side and one on the off-door side, along with your pass-through storage and your outside kitchen with a griddle and a mini fridge. Again, this is the Sabre 36 FLX. Thanks for coming along with me.